All rise, please. Circuit Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Terrence Ketchel presiding. Please proceed.
Okay, we're here for the afternoon for our arraignments. And we'll just start from the top.
You're going to do one left over from this morning, Mr.
Which one?
Jutras.
Which one?
Derek Jutras, can you go to Jutras? JJ. JJ, I apologize. Wait. I guess it's fine.
Frank's got it.
Bring it down here. All right. Thank you. No problem.
You know, this is Mr. Jutras before the court. The state and I continued him from this morning. We discussed, and I think we've got a stipulated bond. And in this case, it's going to basically have an order for an oral motion bond in his case. Before I get their probation and get that to me, they want to get his address and phone number on the record before I file the order. Where's your address going to be?
1064 Windmill Drive.
Is that the same address you would have before? Same address as before? And what's your phone number?
850
850
716
716
4688.
46. Signature bond, and then I put on there specifically, Mr. Jutras is still on probation, they'll need to report immediately upon release to probation before he goes anywhere else.
So tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, if you guys go for a
Yes, sir.
If I may approach, Ron?
You may state.
That's correct.
Okay. Thank you. This is the date, the 21st.
That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
If we can put Mr. Jutras now on June 18th at 9 a.m., Your Honor?
Okay, come back on June 18th rather than June 13th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, good luck.
And I think that concludes the morning docket, Your Honor.
Okay,
Your Honor, I have one out of custody client.
okay,
William Egbers, 2024 CF 871. He is approaching. This is the first time up for the arraignment. Mr. Egbers will enter a plea of not guilty, and I think it's already been scheduled for the 6/10 court date.
very good. We'll enter a not guilty plea and we'll come back on 6/10 at 9 a.m.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Stay in contact with your attorney in the interim, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
He already
you.
has been.
Very good.
Thanks so much.
Your Honor, if I can take mine.
Sure.
It's going to be Fabian Kennedy, number 12 on the afternoon docket.
You may announce.
Your Honor, at this time, we're going to enter a not guilty plea in 24 CF 897. Mr. Kennedy is currently scheduled for August the 12th for trial.
Very good. We'll enter a not guilty plea and we'll come back on August 12th, pre-trial at 9 a.m. Okay. We've got a couple of out-of-custody cases. Is Samuel Green here?
Your Honor, the state filed a no cross in 24 CF 881.
Very good.
He has been picked up by the jurisdiction.
Very good. And Takia Gross, if I pronounced that right, would you come forward to the podium? Would the state go ahead and announce
This is State versus Takia Gross, case number 24CF916.
Okay, so, and this goes for the, anybody else who's here without an attorney. The purpose of today's hearing is an arraignment, is to make a plea. This is a new charge, and so, like any other charge, you do have a right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed. So, first order of business is, do you wish to have an attorney appointed?
I'm going to get an attorney, Your Honor.
You're going to get your own attorney?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what I would suggest you do is go ahead and enter a not guilty plea. That'll preserve your rights. And we'll come back. When will we come back? First, we on the June or the August?
This one's August.
Okay. So we're going to come back on August 12th at 9 a.m. So in the interim, you need to get up with your attorney, figure that out, because we're at pre-trial August 12th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Question? You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Is Siam Junlakan? If I pronounce that right?
Your Honor,
Yes?
Mr. Junlakan, it seems like he retained Lupella, and they filed their not guilty plea on 5/20, which was yesterday.
Okay. And assume they got a date, 8/12. Very good. Okay, those are the only out of custody. Mr. Medina, you've got a couple that are not incarcerated.
Yes. Well, do you mean that are present in the courtroom already?
Well, I mean, I don't know if they're present, but if they're not present, they're supposed to be present.
I'm not familiar with which ones this are.
Okay. I've got Cedric Barron. That's I've got his out of custody, plea. They're coming forward.
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
All right, he's here.
Okay.
Come on. Just come up to the podium.
I don't have a file, so
That's all right.
I'm not sure when PD was appointed, so.
Okay, well, that's all right. It's just down. I'm assuming that it was correct. So we'll go ahead. You want to enter a not guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor, and.
You do have to fill out your form and everything to make sure you qualify.
Have you ever filled out the public defender form? You did? Okay. Well, does the clerk show that Mr. Barron has completed this PD application?
No.
Could you, I'm just handing him, before you leave the courthouse, will you fill out the application again, completely turn it in on the first floor, and then call my assistant, set that up? Yes, sir.
We'll come back. We're going to, this matter of the pretrial, first pretrial will be August 12th. It's 9 a.m. Make sure and get up with your attorney before.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And I'm sorry, there's another individual.
Well, let me see. I've got one from Miss. Nope, I've got one from Miss Farkas and one from Mr. Gates.
Thank you.
I did not know I had another one, I apologize.
That's all right. DeLeon Clark is Miss Farkas's.
I was aware of my yard, and when I walked in, and I got a dog with him as the interpreter.
Okay. We'll wait for you. DeLeon Clark.
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor.
You've already entered a not guilty plea, right?
Yep, that's why I'm on the file.
So you didn't even know how efficient you were.
I actually already met with him and had a whole thing. Okay, yep.
So come back 8/12.
Thank you.
Because it was the
So Mr. Medina, Salvador Bertuban is one of an inmate that I've got in yours.
I was not aware that he was present, Judge. I'm sorry. Was he transported?
Who's this?
Bertuban?
Yes. Yes, I'm supposed to have files for people. I apologize. I didn't have, not have his file or any for 130, so if he could come out, we'll just complete not guilty.
Sure.
I have met. Jessica, do you want Bertuban, Salvador Bertuban? It was just a petty theft.
You need the offer?
It was a felony petty theft.
So, the offer. I misspoke, we'll reserve the restitution.
Judge, I apologize.
all right.
He wants to resolve this today, and I can work that up. It will only take a few minutes. So-
That's fine.
Okay,
We'll-
just go
we'll
back.
hold
I'll
it.
get back with you. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Medina, we got word, the case from this morning, Ms. Benning
Yes, Your Honor.
is going to appear by Zoom
Yes, sir.
at 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
And you did see the email from Mr. Barnes.
Yes, Your Honor.
The state saw that as well?
Yes, Your Honor, I did,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
So we've just got a couple more from Mr. Gates. He's meeting with his clients, so. Anything else before, well, I guess we'll take a break and wait for him to come back? You don't have any, I think you're done, aren't you, Ms. Farkas?
I am now.
You just waiting for a break so you can leave?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else from the state? We'll just take a 10 or 15-minute break and then we'll come back.
All right, please.
Thank you.
Court is in recess.